Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable or enable dark mode in Google Chrome. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you are being redirected to your Google Chrome, just locate the three dots here at the upper right side of your screen, click that, and then simply scroll down to find Settings. Once you are being redirected to your settings, at the left side of it, go to Appearance. Here, aligning this mode, you can see here a device which is being default. Just simply click Dark. Okay? So this dark mode is very good, especially when you are working at night because it's so soothing in our eyes. Okay? But if you're working a day, I must recommend that you will go to the light one. Okay? Here below, you can also change the font size of your Google Chrome. You can go with very small, small, medium, large, very large. Okay? And might as well here under the custom fonts, you can also manually change the standard font. You can go with this Stencil, Snap ITC, depending on what you love to. And might as well in the serif font, you can also pick or select those font that you would love. Here below, you can see sans serif. You can also change it depending on what you prefer. You can go with Arial, Bell Empty, Broadway, and more. Just have to scroll down. Next to this is fixed width font. You can also select the fix and width of the font that you want to. Might as well here the mathematical font. You can also change it to Calibri, Broadway, Britannic, Bookshelf, and more. Okay? So those are the easy steps on how to enable and disable dark mode in Google Chrome. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.